All right, so let's look at this practice question. It's using the same information from the table on this slide. So I actually just took out that piece of information so I didn't have to keep flipping back and forth. It says if I burned 200 calories while running the stairs, how many hours or what fraction of an hour did I run? So we're going to have to do a few things here. Because remember, this information is for 100 calories. And they want to know how long it would take to burn 200 calories. So if it takes 1/10 of an hour to burn 100 calories, then it's going to take 2 times that to burn 200 calories. So 2 times 1/10. And remember, you do the whole number and the numerator, multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, 2/10. 2/10 of an hour to burn 100 calories. Okay, let's look at the next one. If I burned 400 calories raking leaves, how many hours or what fraction of an hour did I rake? Well, we already know that it's not going to take, an hour to rake, to burn raking leaves, but it might take an hour to burn 400 calories raking leaves. So we know that it takes 2/5 of an hour to burn 100 calories. But they're asking us for 400. So I'm going to have to do 4 times 2/5. And I know 4 times 2 is 8. I get 8/5. I already know that I'm going to have to take out a whole from here. Right? Because this can also be written as 5/5, which is a whole, plus 3/5. That would give us that 8/5. So this is my thinking bubble. Imagine I'm thinking that in my head. So now this is going to turn into 1 3/5. So to burn 400 calories, it does take over an hour. It takes 1 hour and 3/5 of another hour to burn 400 calories raking leaves. All right, here's our last example. If I burned 600 calories while sitting, how many hours or what fraction of an hour did I sit? So we already know that it's going to be over an hour, because if you're sitting for 1 hour and 2/3 of another hour, you're burning 100 calories. So 1 2/3 of an hour burns 100 calories. But they want to know how much 600 calories is. So I'm going to do 6 times 1 2/3. Now, I'm going to break apart 1 2/3, and I'm going to rewrite this as 6 times 1 plus 2/3. Remember, we did this in a previous lesson in this unit. So now I'm going to do 6 times 1 plus 6 times 2/3. I'm actually going to rewrite this over here because I'm going to run out of room. 6 times 1 is 6 plus, remember, 6 over 1 times 2/3. And you just multiply across. So now it becomes 12/3. Well, I know I could change 12/3 to a whole number, right? Because 12 is a multiple of 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. And my answer is 10. It would take 10 hours of sitting down to burn 600 calories. So we already know that that's not a very good form of exercise for burning calories. Okay, watch the complete your math journal pages on page 256 and 257, and then watch the next video.